Mail call! I have stickers. Check it. So I'm finally getting around to responding to some of the stickers I just got. I'm really bad at this apparently. That's my sticker, but I need a place to put them. And I have, it looks like about 5 sticker swaps that I've done right now. So let's do this. Okay, so now this is done. Let's put some stickers on it. Let's just put it over here. Thanks. I'm thinking that I could place it up here. Get rid of this ugly part of my garage. Of course. I'm going to start with my sticker, and I think I'm going to put that right in the middle of the play button. Maybe. The Bearded Giant. He is my brother-in-law, and boy, he's been getting some really good hits on his welding videos because he bought a welder for $89 at Harbor Freight, and he's got a lot of tips and tricks, and he's changed the wire out to good wire, and apparently it's been working, and he's learning a lot on his own and by watching videos and comments that he gets. So if you haven't subscribed to him, the link's down in the description below. Andrew is the Bearded Giant.
Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant. I want to give a shout out to the Bearded Woodworker. I got your shirt today. Alright, that was weird. The Bearded Giant, youtube.com. So this is, if you can't tell, that's my likeness in there.
And he also does moto sports. He has a couple of motorcycles that he rides, and he's got a nice mic and a nice camera setup, and he drives around and he just kind of does his little motor vlogs, I guess, too. So there's his other sticker there. And then we have I opened some of these already, so. Big Boys DIY. He was my first sticker swap, actually. His channel is also down in the description below. He's had a couple of sponsors on his videos already. He's did some sponsors on a bandsaw blade and some stickers and vinyls and stuff. And he's in the UK, and he's fairly new, and he does some really good stuff. So go check him out, subscribe, leave him a comment, tell him the Bearded Woodworker sent you. I don't know, why not?
Hello, thank you for joining me. What I'm going to be doing today is, this is the 500 subscriber giveaway video. That was to win the Work Zone Brad Point drill bits. As you can see, I've painted the back of it red to give it the effect like it's a raging bull in effect. Right, they're all cut out now. The large one, the medium one, and the smaller one.
Alright, Warren, you're going right up here next to the Bearded Giant. Whoa, 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 oh, that stuck. Next we have Marblemountain Woodworks. Thanks for the support and the sticker swap. I'll go make some sawdust, he says. Ooh, look at that. That one's clear. Nice work. Kind of got a little overlap, if that's okay. I'm going to run out of room anyways. And then R&R Builds, Rural Renovators. So these guys have a huge following. I'm sure you've already heard of them. They're the ones that, gosh, as far as I know, it's just like two guys building these massive pole barns, and they did the shop for Jimmy DiResta.
All right, what day are we on? Day 4, I think. We got our walls mainly up. We've got trusses here, getting ready to put up our last section of wall.
About right there. And God, I feel really bad, and I'm only putting this on camera right now. Greg from Eclipse Builds. He sent me a sticker, and from when I sent out stickers just a couple days ago to me bringing it here, it disappeared. I am almost scared that I accidentally put his sticker in the envelope that I sent to him with my sticker in it. So Greg, if you got my sticker and your sticker is in it, I'd love it back. I don't know. I'm going to continue searching my house, but I've asked the wife, and I've searched the whole trail where it might be, and I don't know what happened to it. But check out Greg on Eclipse Builds, down in the description below. So there you have it. I know it wasn't really a big build this week, but I wanted to finally give shout outs to the sticker swaps that I've done. And if you'd like to get a sticker of the Bearded Woodworker and like to swap with me, go ahead and get a hold of me through my Instagram or my Facebook page down in the description below. And if you don't have any stickers but you want one of mine, I'm going to set up a little PayPal account where I'll sell the stickers for probably like $2 or $3 so I can kind of pay for shipping and help me out with the buying more stickers when I run out. So if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit my face right there, and you can, no, not that face, this face right here. Jeez. And if you'd like to see how I made a wind chime for my wife and I's 11th anniversary, click this box right here. And if you've seen that, but you haven't seen this one, go ahead and click there. That's what YouTube's going to tell you is a good one for you to watch. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I am the Bearded Woodworker. I'm out.